Hi friends, welcome back. In this video, we will share with you, on this topic, 21 health tips for 21st century. The start of a new decade brings with it new resolutions to improve one's life, including a healthier lifestyle. Here are 21 practical health tips to help you start off towards healthy living in 21st century. Number 1. Eat a healthy diet. Eat a combination of different foods, including fruit, vegetables, legumes, nuts and whole grains. Adults should eat at least 5 portions, to 400 grams, of fruit and vegetables per day. Number 2. Consume less salt and sugar. Reduce your salt intake to 5 grams per day, equivalent to about 1 teaspoon. It's easier to do this by limiting the amount of salt, soy sauce, fish sauce and other high-sodium condiments when preparing meals, removing salt, seasonings and condiments from your meal table, avoiding salty snacks, and choosing low-sodium products. You can reduce your sugar intake by limiting the consumption of sugary snacks, candies and sugar-sweetened beverages. Number 3. Reduce intake of harmful fats. Fats consumed should be less than 30% of your total energy intake. This will help prevent unhealthy weight gain and non-communicable diseases. There are different types of fats, but unsaturated fats are preferable over saturated fats and trans fats. World Health Organization recommends reducing saturated fats to less than 10% of total energy intake, reducing trans fats to less than 1% of total energy intake, and replacing both saturated fats and trans fats to unsaturated fats. The preferable unsaturated fats are found in fish, avocado and nuts, and in sunflower, soybean, canola and olive oils. Saturated fats are found in fatty meat, butter, palm and coconut oil, cream, cheese, ghee and lard, and trans fats are found in baked and fried foods, and prepackaged snacks and foods, such as frozen pizza, cookies, biscuits, and cooking oils and spreads. Number 4. Avoid alcohol. There is no safe level for drinking alcohol. Consuming alcohol can lead to health problems such as mental and behavioral disorders, including alcohol dependence, major non-communicable diseases. Number 5. Don't smoke. Smoking tobacco causes non-communicable diseases such as lung disease, heart disease and stroke. Tobacco kills not only the direct smokers but even non-smokers through second-hand exposure. If you are currently a smoker, it's not too late to quit. Once you do, you will experience immediate and long-term health benefits. If you are not a smoker, that's great. Do not start smoking and fight for your right to breathe tobacco smoke-free air. Number 6. Be active. Physical activity is defined as any bodily movement produced by skeletal muscles that requires energy expenditure. This includes exercise and activities undertaken while working, playing, carrying out household chores, traveling, and engaging in recreational pursuits. The amount of physical activity you need depends on your age group, but adults aged 18 to 64 years should do at least 150 minutes of moderate intensity physical activity throughout the week. Increase moderate intensity physical activity to 300 minutes per week for additional health benefits. Number 7. Check your blood pressure regularly. Hypertension, or high blood pressure, is called a silent killer. This is because many people World Health Organization have hypertension may not be aware of the problem as it may not have any symptoms. If left uncontrolled, hypertension can lead to heart, brain, kidney and other diseases. Have your blood pressure checked regularly by a health worker so you know your numbers. If your blood pressure is high, get the advice of a health worker. Number 8. Use plenty of herbs and spices. Many incredibly healthy herbs and spices exist. For example, ginger and turmeric both have potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects, leading to various health benefits. Due to their powerful benefits, you should try to include as many herbs and spices as possible in your diet. Number 9. Get vaccinated. Vaccination is one of the most effective ways to prevent diseases. Vaccines work with your body's natural defenses to build protection against many diseases. Number 10. Take care of your relationships. Social relationships are incredibly important not only for your mental well-being but also your physical health. Studies show that people who have close friends and family are healthier and live much longer than those who do not. Number 11. Cover your mouth when coughing or sneezing. Diseases such as influenza, pneumonia and tuberculosis are transmitted through the air. When an infected person coughs or sneezes, Infectious agents may be passed on to others through airborne droplets. When you feel a cough or sneeze coming on, make sure you have covered your mouth with a face mask or use a tissue, then dispose it carefully. If you do not have a tissue close by when you cough or sneeze, cover your mouth as much as possible with a crook, or the inside, of your elbow. Number 12. Prevent mosquito bites. Mosquitoes are one of the deadliest animals in the world. Diseases like dengue, malaria and lymphatic filariasis are transmitted by mosquitoes. You can take simple measures to protect yourself and your loved ones against mosquito-borne diseases. If you're traveling to an area with known mosquito-borne diseases, consult a physician for a vaccine to prevent diseases such as Japanese encephalitis and yellow fever, or if you need to take antimalarial medicines. Wear light-colored, long-sleeved shirts and pants and use insect repellent. At home, use window and door screens, use bed nets and clean your surroundings weekly to destroy mosquito breeding sites. Number 13. Follow traffic laws. You yourself can prevent road crashes by ensuring that you follow traffic laws such as using the seat belt for adults and child restraint for your kids, wearing a helmet when riding a motorcycle or bicycle, not drinking and driving, and not using your mobile phone while driving. Number 14. Drink only safe water. Drinking unsafe water can lead to waterborne diseases such as cholera, diarrhea, hepatitis A, typhoid and polio. Check with your water concessionaire and water refilling station to ensure that the water you're drinking is safe. In a setting where you are unsure of your water source, boil your water for at least 1 minute. This will destroy harmful organisms in the water. Let it cool naturally before drinking. Number 15. Don't go on a diet. Diets are notoriously ineffective and rarely work well in the long term. In fact, dieting is one of the strongest predictors for future weight gain. Instead of going on a diet, try adopting a healthier lifestyle. Focus on nourishing your body instead of depriving it. Weight loss should follow as you transition to whole, nutritious foods. Number 16. Talk to someone you trust if you're feeling down. Depression is a common illness worldwide with over 260 million people affected. Depression can manifest in different ways, but it might make you feel hopeless or worthless, or you might think about negative and disturbing thoughts a lot or have an overwhelming sense of pain. If you're going through this, remember that you are not alone. Talk to someone you trust, such as a family member, friend, colleague, or mental health professional about how you feel. Number 17. Take antibiotics only as prescribed. Antibiotic resistance is one of the biggest public health threats in our generation. Antibiotics are losing their power because of misuse and overuse in humans and animals. Make sure you only take antibiotics if prescribed by a qualified health professional. And once prescribed, complete the treatment days as instructed. Never share antibiotics. Number 18. Clean your hands properly. Hand hygiene is critical not only for health workers but for everyone. Clean hands can prevent the spread of infectious illnesses. You should hand wash using soap and water when your hands are visibly soiled, or hand rub using an alcohol-based product. Number 19. Prepare your food correctly. Unsafe food containing harmful bacteria, viruses, parasites or chemical substances causes more than 200 diseases, ranging from diarrhea to cancers. When buying food at the market or store, check the labels or the actual produce to ensure it is safe to eat. If you are preparing food, make sure you follow the 5 keys to safer food. 1. Keep clean. 2. Separate raw and cooked. 3. Cook thoroughly. 4. Keep food at safe temperatures. And 5. Use safe water and raw materials. Number 20. Have regular checkups. Regular checkups can help find health problems before they start. Health professionals can help find and diagnose health issues early, when your chances for treatment and cure are better. Go to your nearest health facility to check out the health services, screenings and treatment that are accessible to you. Number 21. Get enough sleep. The importance of getting enough quality sleep cannot be overstated. Poor sleep can drive insulin resistance, disrupt your appetite hormones, and reduce your physical and mental performance. What's more, poor sleep is one of the strongest individual risk factors for weight gain and obesity. Please let us know in the comments section what other important health tips are we missing. Share this video with your friends and loved ones.